What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new ride and review for you today. Going to meet the cake dealer at an omakase place, a brand new place over by us in the Lower East Side. It's called KAKI. They have a 15-course omakase with sake included. I think it's pretty much all you can drink. From what I understand, they just keep refilling. So I'm just leaving work now. I'm gonna go meet the cake dealer there. So yeah, this should be a quick ride and review because I don't really have much else to talk about, and so I'm just riding through Times Square right now to get down in the area, and then once I pull up, we'll get it going. Jeez. I'm on 14th Street. I am going to take this right here on Avenue A, which will become Essex. And then KAKI is just on Rivington, which goes the other way, but I'm going to go the wrong way for a half street. Gotta get out in front of the traffic. Yeah, KAKI. Funny name. K-A-K-I. Coming down. Tompkins Square Park on my left. Yeah, so 15 pieces. Hopefully I'll be nice and full at the end. Crossing Houston now. A couple more streets. Taking this left here on Rivington. And it should be on the right. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna lock it up here, and I'll see you on the inside. Just need to connect. Oh, that's a lot.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, appetizer.
Look at that, it's gorgeous. Thank Always my favorite part.
Damn, babe.
Okay, eat it. Thank you. I wanted to. All right. KAKI. 15 piece. I'm a little buzzed. I gotta say, they really did serve you shot after shot of sake, and we brought our own wine too. So I gotta take it easy on the way home. But that place was great. Really, really good sushi. Clean, simple, tasty, quality. 15 pieces. My favorite was probably the final piece of sushi, which was a fatty tuna with uni on top and caviar. Really good. Highly recommend it. Also the hand roll, I love those. Short review. Jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for all the pictures, all the info, the full write-up, the full review, everything. Definitely we'll be back at this place again. Staff is very friendly. Definitely want to go back and show support. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your family, and most of all, most importantly, tell your fucking grandma.